Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to send a video as a snap. So to do that, tap in your Snapchat account or Snapchat application, and then in here tap the video at the upper right corner, then tap the icon smiley beside the record button. Then in here, tap the picture with the plus sign at the right corner, which you can now import a video. Choose a video, and then tap check, tap preview, then tap next, and now you can send it to your friends and send it. So that's how to send a video as a snap. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.